So, welcome back, students, to your channel Infinity Education. Those who are new to my channel, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for further notification of the videos. And please like and share these videos. So, students, in front of you, there is one image, right? Now, you are thinking about these image. What is this? So basically, in front of you, you notice that P and Q are the neighbors. But R is the another house which is across the road. We can say that P and Q are the two houses where they are sharing the same wall. But R doesn't share a common wall with any of the houses. We can construct the meaning from this image this. So these are the some points we can construct. Okay. Now, students, there is one activity in front of you. Let's see what's the activity. So, students, you have to draw two angles using matchsticks from pile of it. So, there's some pile of matchsticks. So, I'm going to choose two matchsticks. So, I've choose two matchsticks. Now, I'm going to make two angles. So, what I'm going to take it. So, one matchstick is here, and second is I'm going to add here. So students, you notice I make one angle, this one. This is angle 1 and this is angle 2. Yes, we have done this activity as we use the two matchstick and we have made the two angles. So we have done it. So students, you notice there is only one line segment, one matchstick where we have made the two angles. That means there is a common edge, common line segment which is sharing by two angles, right? So let's see what types of angle who's sharing the common line segment, what we call that. So we have these angles which are adjacent angles. So let's see firstly the figure, then we will understand what are adjacent angles. So the figure is in front of you. So these are the angles adjacent if they have a common vertex. So vertex means where all the points joining at a one point. So that is a vertex is O. They have a common arm. Yes, as this is angle 1 and this is angle 2. So we know that this is a common arm which is sharing. So I just mark the straight line. So this is a common arm. The uncommon arm are on the either side of the common arm. Yes. So this is uncommon arm for angle 1 and for angle 2 we have this is uncommon. So these points if we consider it then such pairs of angles we can call as a adjacent angle. Let's understand with few more example related to adjacent angle. So basically, same example I'm taking it. Now what you have to do? You have to fill this table. So firstly, you have to identify what are those angles. So here is angle A, O and B. Another we have angle B, O, C. These are the two angles we can find it 1 and 2. Now the common vertex. The common vertex which we have is O, right? And the common arm is this one. So this is OB. And the uncommon arm. So in the first we have OA and here we have OC. So then we called these two pairs of angles are the adjacent angles. Now students, I know you noticed many of the examples from your day-to-day life where you observe the adjacent angle. So now let me show you the examples related to those. So in front of you, first, second and third. So now, do you notice in the three images we have adjacent angles, right? So let's go one by one. So here in the wheel, we notice these two angles are joined at one point and they have a common arm. So these are the two pairs of adjacent angles. Here is in windmill, we notice the three angles are there and they have a common vertex. So we have here also the two pairs of angles. Now here in the leaf, we notice the two pair of angles are also there, which is marked. So that way we can find it out the adjacent angle in the real life situations. Now students, it's your task to do. You just pause this video and also write the answer in the comment box, so that will be useful for you. So you just pause it and write it down the answer. So I guess you have find it out what is the answer for this and you written in the chat box also. I will check out from there. So which angles are adjacent? So let's see what are the angles which are adjacent. You have to choose from four options. So let's go one by one. So angle 1 and angle 3. Angle 1 and angle 3. But these are not adjacent. They are not sharing common arm. So it is not. If I talk about angle 5 and angle 3, angle 5 and angle 3. So they are very separated and there is one more angle. So this is also not. Angle 1 and angle 4. So angle 1, they're sharing the common vertex but not a common arm. So it's also wrong. Angle 2 and angle 3. So if we see here, angle 2 and angle 3. Yes, it's correct because they are sharing the common arm and common vertex and the uncommon. So this is the correct answer. D is the correct answer. Please make sure you have got the correct answer. So thank you students. In the next video, we will meet with interesting topic. Thank you everyone.